Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are fine and staying safe and happy. I am your geography teacher, Ms. Farheen, and I welcome you all to your geography class. So my dear students, as you all know that today we are going to start unit number 1 of your geography books. So my dear students, the name of our unit is Structure of Earth and Type of Rocks. So my dear students, this is the introduction or the first page of your unit. So my dear students, we are going to introduce this unit to you. इस लेक्चर में हम इंट्रोडक्शन देखेंगे कि हम इस यूनिट में क्या कुछ जो है वो सीखने वाले हैं. So my dear students, we are going to discuss about geography, which helps us to understand the Earth's physical, human and environmental aspects, including its complex internal structures of 3 layers. The outer layer has moving tectonic plates that shape the planet and landforms and cause earthquakes. Rocks in this layer are classified into 3 types and are essential for regional economics. Modern geographical techniques like GIS, GPS and Google Maps make it easier to gather and interpret data. This unit is all about the Earth's insides, outsides and how we new technology has helped us learn more about it. So my dear students, ये बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग यूनिट है जिसमें आप ज्योग्राफी के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. As you all know, ये तो ज्योग्राफी की बुक है, but we are going to dive deep into the earth, जहां हम अर्थ की डिफरेंट लेयर्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स के बारे में पढ़ेंगे, which help in the formation of different landforms like oceans, seas and mountains. इसके अलावा वो कौन-कौन सी मॉडर्न टेक्निक्स हैं जो कि हमें अर्थ को मजीद बेहतर तरीके से जानने में हेल्प करती हैं. We are going to discuss all about this in this unit. So my dear students, one by one we are going to discuss कि कितने lectures होंगे इस unit के और कौन-कौन से knowledge है, objectives हैं जो कि हमने attain करने हैं. So the first lecture is about define geography, जिसमें हम geography को define करेंगे, इसकी कितनी domains हैं हम उसके बारे में जानेंगे. And then in lecture 2 we are going to discuss knowledge 1.2 of your books, in which we will describe the internal structure of the earth. Then in lecture 3, which is knowledge 1.3 from your book, we are going to differentiate between 3 layers of the earth. And the lecture 4, which will be divided into 2 lectures, lecture 4A will be knowledge 1.4, which will be explore the theory of plate tectonics, जिसमें हम इसकी complete history कि किस तरीके से plate tectonics के बारे में हमें पता चला, we are going to discuss that. Then in lecture 4B, the students will be able to explore the theory of plate tectonics and how different plates move and create different landforms. We will discuss that. And then lecture 5, which will be knowledge 1.5 from your books, students will be able to identify different types of rocks. किस तरीके से different तरह के पत्थर होते हैं, किस तरीके से वो बनते हैं, we are going to discuss that. So my dear students, in lecture number 6, knowledge 1.6 will be discussed, in which you will explore the process of rock cycle in the formation of rocks. So when you will discuss different types, after that you will be able to discuss the rock cycle या जो भी इसकी theory है हम उसको explore करेंगे. Then in lecture 7, students will discuss the knowledge 1.7, in which they will discover the uses of rocks. Lecture number 8 will be about the identification of most commonly found rocks in Pakistan. Then in lecture number 9, you will describe the importance of rocks in the economy of region, and the lecture number 10 will be about the main features of modern techniques in geography, which is GIS, GPS and Google Maps. So my dear students, this unit will be really fun and exciting and informative for you. हम बहुत सी activities perform करेंगे. So stay tuned for me for more lectures and have a good day. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.